Hello all and welcome to 3.2.3. It's going to be a slightly strange set of lessons for this week, mainly because we are coming back to school next week, which means that I'll be able to see you in person. But it also means that you're going to be spending less time working at home, which means I want to try and do some performance assessment while you've got the time to practice. The lessons are going to be split as normal. However, it's all going to be leading towards one ultimate point, and that is the performance assessment. I'm going to ask you to record yourselves playing one of your pieces in its entirety, with no stops and as fewest mistakes as possible. I'm then going to assess them and grade them. I would have done this normally in the classroom, but COVID has meant that we are going to have to do it remotely. By the end of year 10, I need to have a very secure understanding of what your playing is like if we are to stand any chance of passing this course with flying colours. So I'm going to split the lesson as following. The first hour needs to be individual practice on a specific section, and then you need to drill each component to make sure that you can play all the individual notes and phrases. The second hour should be dedicated to fitting those components back together with the backing track. And then the third hour should be spent revising, rehearsing, recording, and submitting the best version to me. We've covered 3 songs in the classroom together, and a 4th one I gave you during our remote learning period. Brooklyn, Chameleon, and Umbrella, therefore, you've had real practice in a real life setting with each other. Whiplash, you've obviously, for those of you that have engaged with that, and I've set that for you, you've obviously only done that remotely. This is absolutely fine, and you're playing it very well for those of you that I've seen. So, well done. The grades to the right-hand side, the 1 to 6, 1 to 9, 1 to 6, 1 to 9, they are an exemplar of what each of those pieces are likely to get you if you play them. So you will notice that Brooklyn and Umbrella really only go up to a level 6, possibly a level 7, depending on how well you play them. Which means if you are aiming for those top grades, the 7, 8s, and 9s, then it would be better to focus on Chameleon or Whiplash. That's not to say that if you play Brooklyn Umbrella that you won't get a great grade. It just means that they are slightly lower in skill level. There are many of you that to achieve a grade 6 in your performance right now would be a fantastic achievement, and please bear in mind that we have a full year in order to increase that. But we are looking to get as good a grade as possible as we can. So let me show you what that's going to look like. You are going to obviously practice. You just need to pick one of those pieces, just one. That's all you need to pick, and submit the recording to me in full. Now, when you submit the recording to me, guys, I would like you to submit it using the backing track. Now, I just want to be really clear about what backing track I want you to use. So if I am going to play Brooklyn, for example, I'll go to the Creative Arts website. I will scroll down and I would find the Brooklyn section, which is just there. So click on the Brooklyn section. Now, there's obviously a ton of backing tracks in here. There's the clarinet version, the sax version, sax 2, trumpet 1 and 2, trombone, clarinet again, drums, bass, trombone 2, piano, guitar, etc. What I would like you to submit, however, is you playing on top of the full band track. So you click on the track right at the top, and I would like you to play along with that. The reason I want you to play along with that is that it's much easier for you to stay in time, but also that is what you would play along to when you were doing the individual solo performance in year 11. So it makes sense to try and practice it now. Some of you have mentioned that whilst playing some of the harder pieces, like Whiplash, for example, you found it difficult to play at speed. Now that's absolutely fine. That's not a problem, and I'm really glad you have challenged yourself in order to play something so difficult at speed. If you're not quite up to speed, please try one of the other ones. Okay, we've got plenty of time to rehearse Whiplash, and we've got plenty of time to rehearse the harder sections of Chameleon. I would rather you submitted a recording that is your best version of your playing. And because I want to see like a realistic grade here. I want to see what you sound like on your own, playing against a backing track in full, so I can mark you. If I don't get a submission, guys, if I don't see or hear one of your recordings, I'm going to be unable to put that on your end of year grade, which means the only thing that I'll be going on is an exam that we're going to do, and I will have to submit a grade 1 for your performance, which is going to be really tricky. So I need this. I really do. Okay, good luck. If you have any questions, please just let me know. I don't care how you submit it. I don't care if you put it through Teams. I don't care if you send it to me over an email. If you upload it to OneDrive and send me a link. You can also use this website if you're really struggling. It's called WeTransfer. WeTransfer.com. You go to it, and you can upload any size of file. And you click get a link, and then you just email me the link. And it will send me it, and I'll be able to download it. Okay? So that should be a really useful thing for you to do. An easy thing for you to do. Good luck. I hope it goes well. I really look forward to hearing your performances. Like I said, some of the performances that I've been given are absolutely excellent. Really, really good. But I need to see what full piece is going to look like, and that is of your best playing. All right, thank you guys. Good luck, and I will see you soon. Oh, by the way, if you did want to do a few recordings, like you wanted to try 2 or 3 pieces, then that's absolutely fine. You can send me 2 or 3 pieces, and I will pick the best one. If you're unsure about what you play best, if you want to play all of them, you can do all of them and send them all in. I don't care. The more the merrier. So good luck, and I will see you soon. Okay, thanks very much.